Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. We're gonna start right now the stream. I apologize for Anna. She's sick. Okay, she won't be able to come today, but she's there, present. So just wait. She got better, and she will be on track. Okay, guys, have to wait. Hello to Hader. Hello to you. So today we're gonna, as you can see, she's there. Hello to Anna. Hello back to you. So for today, we're gonna send some good vibes for Anna healing. She needs good vibes for her health. If she's able to write and watch the stream, it's good enough. So I will just need to send on the reminder on the Discord, guys. Otherwise, you will forget, and they will be able to start right now. Let me share. So, by the way, hello, Rob. Hello, Rob. Yes, let's hope she will get better. So today we're gonna do some swing, but also day trading. Depends. I will change the account. Scalping. You don't miss string trading. So we're gonna do some swing also, guys. And why not some scalping? But for the swing, it be hard. It will be just a quick check analysis to see if you have any setup, and then we will go. Okay. Of course, if you have any asset you want me to analyze on the swing, go ahead. So let me repeat again. Do not copy my trade, guys. I'm trading for the stream. Okay. Follow your plan. As always, don't over risk, don't over trade, and we will be fine. But yeah, I know you all over risk and over trade. So let's get ready to rumble. So we're gonna quickly see what do we have for the account on the swing trade. This is my account of day trading scalp. So let's see if the trade we took yesterday was a win or a loss or still ongoing. Okay, still ongoing, guys. This is our swing trade, as you can see right now. So I took a swing pound yen. Yeah, let me show you the trade. Here we go. It's long, guys. It's gonna take a lot of time because it's a swing. Sadness. So indeed, guys, if you have any asset you want me to analyze, go ahead. If you have any question related to trading, go ahead. I will be happy to reply to you. And Anna also, she's present on the chat. And don't forget to like, subscribe, put some comments, and share the stream. Share, guys. Don't keep it for yourself. Share to your friends. So, guys, I took a swing trade yesterday as a sell. Okay, this is my Weaver hammer, and it's touching the top of the Bollinger Bands. RSI over both, stochastics over both. We had a cross just before. And all this is on a key level. This is a key level. But the last time we did a bounce on this area, it was on 2008, guys. It's whoa. So it's an old level. So I still decided to take the trade, but I decided to make lower risk than usual because it's not a recent level, well respected, it's an old level. If I zoom out, let me show you. There, this is where we had the bounce. It's far away. 2008, it's wow. Anyways, it's a quick swing normally. So I sell there, s stop loss just above the level, take profit just below, not far away. It's also matching the previous, key, level. It was broken. So this is my swing for pound yen. Okay. Hello to Hamza. Gold. I will check gold right now. I will. I will also check franc Swiss yen. I just wanted to show you a beautiful swing, guys. That's it. So let's go to a gold. On 4 hours time frames, this is a nice setup for a sell on gold, but you pay with fire if you try to sell at all-time highs, guys. That's for sure. So let me just quickly change the account for. So by the way, tell in the chat what kind of trading style analysis you want me to check the assets. Is it want me to check gold on the scalp day trade from Swiss scalp day trade swing like this? I will know better the time frame I will need to look. So this is gold, 5 minutes time frame. Okay, we had a very nice uptrend, beautiful, and it's only pumping, guys. It's only pumping since we broke this structure. Okay, let me show on 30 minutes time frame. So this is the structure that we broke yesterday. It was an ascending triangle. I didn't take it, sadly. Why? I was too late. I missed the winning trade there. So it didn't make the pullback as I wanted. So it was up. Bye bye without me. It's okay. Fair enough. Now we are in this area, mid the top. So this is the new small resistance on 5 minutes time frame. And this is the new small support on 5 minutes time frame. Let me quickly show you fast up there and there. So we are in between right now. Try to consolidate on 5 minutes time frame. If the price touch this line, I will try to look for a buy. If the price touch this line, I will look for a sell. Let me check on 1 minute time frame. What do we have? Okay, so on 1 minute time frame, we have a downtrend, guys, ongoing. So there is still a possibility for the price to keep dropping. But for scalpers, 1 minute time frame, I will have many levels to trade. This was a good setup. This place was a nice place to take a buy. Okay, kind of risky, guys. The candle was big, not small like there. This would will be a better setups. This one too, pin bar. Nope, this one was a very huge candle. So for now, on 1 minute time frame, for my on my side, I will recommend myself to not take a trade for now. It's giving me selling vibes. So yeah, she wants to sell gold. I understand that because it's trying to make a pullback with a nice stochastics over both with an engulfing red candle. Totally understandable to sell right now. So if I sell on my side, I will be having a take profit very near. Like my take profit will be there exactly, not far away. This is me if I sell. Take profit will be just below, very small uh, take profit size, but it's still risky, guys. For me, I'm not brave enough to sell there, guys. Not brave enough. But if you're able to manage well your risk, if you put a small risk, so you can take trades with low quality of setup. Okay. So there, if I take a sell, I will risk a very small amount because the quality is not high compared to other setups. So let's check from Swiss yen, since someone has asked. You buying? Heather is buying. What time frame did you use to buy gold? Did you take the monthly time frame? So let me check for Ryan Smith from Swiss yen and then Euro USD. Okay. Yeah, Ryan, do you want the check as a day trade, as a scalp, as a swing? Tell me in the chat what kind of trading style you want to be checked on that. So Forex, franc Swiss yen, I don't have it. I have to add it. It's not an asset that I trade often. There you are. Okay, Francis yen. Here we go. Here we go. This is the Francis yen chart. Let me make it more pretty. Boom. Beautiful. So let me see, Ryan, the comments. You think gold will pull back? You're a swing trader with day trading tendencies. I see that. I see that. So we're gonna check quickly as a swing setup for Francis yen, and then I will see also for the day trade for what I see on my side for the Francis yen. Then that's it. Um, don't over risk. Don't try to mess up your trade. So I know some people take a trade, and since the price is not going on their way, they just decide to change the trading style. So let's take example. I take a trade on 30 minutes time frame or 15 as a day trade, okay? And I see it's losing. So you know what? I'm gonna go to higher time frames and change my stop loss, and it's a swing trade. Don't do that, guys. This is a complete joke, not serious. When you enter a setup, don't shift the style of the trade when you are inside of the trade. This is not serious. If you want to take another trading style, take another setup, but keep the one you chose before. So we are buying a franc Swiss. I see that. And buying USD. Okay. Okay. So let's check franc Swiss now. Let me zoom out. This is monthly candle. Mhm. Okay, it's gonna take some time. It seems to load. It's okay. So on the monthly candle, we are very high, franc Swiss yen, and we have nothing near right now. Okay. And then if we check until 2006, as you can see, we have nothing where the price was bouncing on it. So it's kind of risky to try to sell with this setup on the monthly time frame. So now let's check on the weekly to see how it goes. Maybe it will give us a better setup for a swing. So you said you are buying from Swiss yen. Since it's acting like a rocket right now, it's yeah. It's okay. So this is weekly time frame. I still have nothing for a swing on daily. On daily, I have more data now. I have a clear bounce on this level, like uptrend, up and higher highs and higher lows, as you can see. This is daily Swiss yen. So we made a new high, and now we make a pullback on the 20 moving average. Still, not enough for me to take a trade there. It's not the best of qualities compared to previous bounce. So let's check on 4 hours time frames. What do we have? This is the last time frame for a swing. Here we go. So on 4 hours time frames, we have more setups to try to take a swing. So this is the resistance at the top for the franc Suisse. Okay. And this is the most recent support. Okay. And this one, this area is the strongest support. So are we good to buy? It's possible to buy there. There is a possibility, not the best, but still okay. For me, I won't be buying yet franc Suisse unless I have this candle go higher than this hammer. Right now, we have a nice hammer on the 50 MA, okay, from a small uptrend on the franc Suisse. So I will be waiting to take a buy only if the price go higher, okay? And my take profit will be just near their previous high, not far away. This is what I see on my side, unless you took setups way before, but for me, it's too late for to take any setups that was taken before because I'm entering late. So what I see right now is this setup if this candle go higher. So now let's check as a day trade, 30 minutes time frame. So we have a strong small support there, multiple bounce on it, and a strong resistance there, up. As you can see, okay, there had a very nice bounce. As a day trade, nope, no trade, no setups for now as a day trade, unless I have a very beautiful bounce on this 50 MA as a reversal, revert hammer, etc. I will take a trade for now as a day trade, okay, for franc Swiss yen. So now let's check EURUSD, guys, quickly. So take day trades with swing trade targets. Now I use the 50 EMA. Anna is selling gold, by the way, guys. Huh? Anna is selling gold. I don't think gold is dropping. Let me check. Ay, 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 ay. As expected. Yeah, and I hope you didn't take the sell because it wasn't looking good for a sell. So there we have a very nice pin bar, as you can see, on gold there, touching the bottom of the bond of Bollinger's, and bang, it's bouncing on it. So trying to sell on 1 minute time frame, it's risky, but if you manage well the risk and you accept the loss, it's part of the plan. So you can go ahead. On my side, I wanted a better price action, so I didn't take the sell there. There it was a nice place to take a small sell, but guys, scalping 1 minute time frame is crazy, guys. I'm telling you again, if you scalp, try to stay with 5 minutes. 1 minute is just madness. It's like the quantum world, you know. I don't know if you saw Doctor Strange. It's like when he go to the mystical world or also Ant-Man. When he go to the quantum world, the same. This is 1 minute time frame. It's crazy there. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's madness, chaos. So let me now let's check EURUSD as requested by Ryan. So this is EURUSD. We're gonna do a quick analysis on monthly time frame. So this is monthly levels, already drawn levels. We are on a very strong key area on the monthly time frame. This is a strong key level who acted as a support and resistance many times. On weekly, we had a very good level. Nope, My bad. On weekly, you have nothing. So it's on daily. My bad. On daily, you have a very nice level there, as you can see. But we broke it. We broke it yesterday. Clean. Boom. Close it up. So it was a nice break up. What I can expect right now is a pullback. It's trying to drop. So if we have a nice pullback on this level with a nice price action, okay, I may take a buy for USD, guys. Okay. And 4 hours time frames, same. I have nothing yet, so I have to wait and see, guys. For day trade, let me check USD for day trade. Up for day trade, I have. Do I have something, guys? 999. Nothing. Nada. Sorry, guys. I don't have any good setup to day trade on USD. Let me check on 15 minutes time frame. Nope. Guys, it's risky to try to take a trade right now. Maybe we can try to see if a consolidation breakout, okay, like this. If we break this structure, this candle, okay, to the top side, maybe good for a buy or maybe for a sell. That's it for me, okay. Analysis as a swing and day trade on the assets you requested. So let's get back to what do we have. Let me see the comments. Okay, she didn't sell, Anna. Look what he said, guys. Ryan said, scalping 1 minute is gambling, not trading. PlayStation stuff. What do you think, guys, about this comment of Ryan? It's harsh, guys. I will check US30 right now, Haidar. So the comments of Ryan is very harsh. But I understand why he says that, okay? You have to understand on 1 minute time frame, there is a lot of fake signals, okay? It can be acting randomly in that respect of your levels and strategies, indicators. So it can be stressful and also depend also of the market. So if you trade, for example, Bitcoin on 1 minute time frame, you play with fire, guys. You play with fire, that for sure. So Hader is buying. Hader is buying. You buying gold? Okay. Yeah. Wow, the sell. Wow, wow, wow. Anna, is it your is it it's your confirmation? Look this beautiful red candle. By the way, the New York will open in 3 minutes, guys. So let me check the news because today is crazy day for the news. So no joke. So indeed, we have a very big news happening in 15 minutes. We're gonna watch it live to see the impact on the charts, and then another big news in 1 hour, and then another big news at 8, yeah, in 4 hours and a half, and then another big news in 5 hours. Come on, it's not tradable today. Today I will catch all the big news in all my streams. Beautiful. Can't wait to have my trades this up. So let me check US30 from the request of Haidar. Haidar, you always give me a random request. Can't you ask like everyone? Nasdaq or SP 500? No, you have to ask me the Dow Jones. So I don't have it yet. I will have to add it on my chart. So spot indices. Here we go. US 30. Boom. Who trade the Dow Jones, guys? Who? Can't believe it. So guys, gold came back on this area, okay, and did a very strong red candle, and now it seems dropping. Did we have a nice spot for a sell there? It was a nice spot for a scalp as a sell, but how can I say it, guys, in proper English? I didn't have a nice price action to sell. So if I wanted to sell there, I will be just setting the level without any proper confirmation. My stop loss will be just above there, as you can see, and take profit will be maybe there. Okay, but I don't like to trade this kind of ways. So it's like trading the touch of the levels. It's possible, huh, but it's risky to do that on 1 minute time frame. So, anyways, it's nicely dropping, but on my side, I'm waiting for gold to drop lower to reach this small support on 5 minutes time frame to take reversal. This is what I want the price to be. So let me just adjust the level of the support for us to be happy, happy, happy. Okay, we go there and boom. So this is the support I want the gold to come and bounce on it. As you can see, it's matching this area of consolidation before the break up. So it's clean, small support on 5 minutes time frame. So we had a very nice bounce on the 5 minutes time frame, but yeah, as you can see, the selling on 1 minute time frame was messy, but on 1 minute, on 5 minutes time frame, I had a very nice reversal there with the long wick bouncing on the 50 MA. Maybe it was a nice spot for a sell there, but I didn't get enough of confirmation, guys. Stochastic wasn't overbought. RSI either. We don't have any recent strong level. Just have a candle and a 50 MA. So risky, risky, guys. Risky. So, anyways, we wait. It's soon gonna bounce maybe on this support for reversal or a break. Maybe it's gonna break. In the meantime, let me check Dow Jones for Haydar. This is the Dow Jones, guys. Let's make it more pretty. So, what do you want to check? Do you want to check swing trade, scalp, day trade of the Dow Jones? Tell us in the chat. Why you're not giving entry? What do you mean not giving entry? Explain yourself, Diggy, Diggy, Diggy. Maybe you missed the first minutes of the stream, so you should trade your plan, guys. Okay, do not copy my trades. So don't wait for me to take a setup and copy it. This is why you try to wait, huh? Diggy, you have to take your personal plan and follow it. Me, I'm there to analyze the chart and reply to your questions and the assets you want me to check, but also to take my setups. So if I don't have any clean setups, I don't take. So I will repeat again. On gold, I'm waiting for a buy, but I need to wait for the price to reach a good support. And also, we have big news happening right now. We are during the opening of the New York session in 20 minutes. Oh my bad. In 10 minutes, we have a big news. So we have to be focused and careful to trade on it. So today it's big news day. If I have something to tell you, is to maybe you should be out of trading for today. Take a step back, rest, and just watch the market getting the news on it. So This is only if your plan and strategy are not strong enough to take the news, this kind of big day news. Okay. So if you saw on your journaling that during the big days with a lot of news, you got a lot of losing trades, step back, guys. Just don't trade today. Just watch the market be impacted by the news and come back tomorrow morning. We'll be fine. So this is Don Jones. Haydar didn't reply if he wants a scalp or day trade analysis. Bravo. Bravo for the take profit of Anna's sell. Celebration. Come. Da, 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 da. So on my side, guys, I wasn't able to take the sell. I had chicken legs on 1 minute time frame, as you can see. There, as you can see, it was a beautiful setup for a sell that Anna took exactly there, and take profit was around there, and she did it. How how do I how do I know? Because I know Anna right now, so I know maybe how she can take a sell or take profit. So she saw a very nice level there. She saw a nice exhaustion of the price, some kind of reversal first side. So she sold maybe there or there, and take profit was around this area. Bravo for Anna for your quick scalp win. I didn't do it. I was waiting for a better setup, and guess what, guys? It never came. It's just teasing me right now. On 5 minutes time frame, as you can see, I wanted the price to come back there, and God said, "You know what? I'm gonna just pull back just above and go higher. Bye bye." Unfair, guys. This is unfair. It's okay. Let's get back to Dow Jones. Let's go check on 5 minutes time frame what is happening. It's crazy. What are you doing, Dow Jones? I'm not surprised, guys. This is the opening of the market, so it's often act like this. So let's analyze how it was before and after the opening of the market. So the market opened there, as you can see, but before it was more calm, less volatility, and so when we get almost a few minutes before it's acting, you see that it's acting crazy, and boom, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is not possible to scalp on 1 minute time frame. So let's go to higher. So we have this level, very strong on dungeons. We've been dropping and we broke directly there. This candle was the break of the structure of the downtrend. It was a falling edge. So there it was a nice setup to take the buy, stop loss below, but taking this kind of trade just before the opening of the London and New York session, you better well back test your strategy. Yeah? Seriously, let me show you. So we have this and that on the down joints. Okay. So we broke there with this beautiful breaking candle. So there it was a nice place to buy, stop loss below, and take profit will have been taken 10 minutes after. But it's risky, guys. It's almost like trying to trade the news when you trade the opening of the London, New York session. So for now, it's not possible to trade dungeons. The only setups I had, it's this one I gave you, but it's too late. Now it's trying to drop, but it's too much volatility. As I said, guys, in around 7 minutes, we have a big news, so we have to keep a watch. Check the news, guys. Check the calendar. You will see. I'm not joking. We have a lot happening right now. This is silver, guys. We are in all-time highs area, and it's acting crazy already after the opening of the New York session. Everything is crazy right now. I don't feel good, guys. I feel stressed, fearful. Like seriously, in 5 minutes, I feel it's gonna be crazy. So in 5 minutes, we have the big news, guys. Let's wait and see. So yeah, it's Eda is buying. So Eda is buying, and it's a very nice setup for a buy, but it's not on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, on the 5 minutes or higher. Yeah, you did a nice catch. Let me check on 15 minutes. Yeah, as you can see on 15 minutes time frame, it was a nice place to take a buy, but it's a day trade, not a scalp anymore. I'm not taking the buy. It's not good enough. Even it seems beautiful. I just need to follow my system, guys. So for me right now, I'm good with that to wait. So we still have 4 minutes left before the big news. So get ready, put your protections. Don't take new trades, guys. You're not allowed the way unless you have the account that allowed you to take new trades during the news. So not, right now, no trade possible for me. You are in the silver trade. Let me check. Silver is nicely up. The bottom. It took the bottom. So we had a very nice price action on silver. So there, as you can see, this was a nice bounce that I missed yesterday. I'm gonna cry, but it's okay. Nice pump. We go to the previous level there. We had some bounce, break up, pull back on it. As you can see, it was during the shift to the Asian session. So as you can see, it was beautiful done. Pull back, boom, up, reach this area, make a new high, a new resistance, fully dropped. Okay. Question is where to catch the drop. Had many options. There it was a possibility, but it didn't respect. There it was also a possibility, but it's not that strong. And there was the best possibility, but also it didn't respect. But as you can see with the gap, it stopped exactly there for the bounce. So for me, there taking the trade there, it was not easy to spot. So we have a nice downtrend, and we broke up with this candle, this one. Let me zoom in, guys. This candle was the confirmation that we're gonna go higher. It was few hours ago, guys. 1 hour ago, and boom, stop loss should be below. Take profit there, and it will be done. So right now, I'm checking for silver to reach this resistance there very soon for catching a sell. But guys, remember we have a news on 1 minute and a half, so I will be mostly watching if the price reach this area very fast. So as you can see now we have the levels, resistance to the top, support to the down. This is strong levels on 5 minutes time frame on silver. On gold, it's very similar. Okay, as you can see, it's not the same chart, but it's similar. So let me read the comments. I've been on already trade for the past 3 hours. Thank you for the reply, Anna. Appreciate it. So the news is in a few seconds. Let me stress. Let me go to 1 minute time frame to see how the market will react on all the main assets. So I will check it on gold. I will check it on the USD. and pound USD also, and Bitcoin, of course, guys. So it's CAD news. So let's see. Maybe we have to check also on the Nasdaq. Okay. So, and why not oil? Everything is important. Here we go. We're ready to check. Let's start with the king gold. Boom. News opening. Do we have anything? Starting to drop. Nothing for now. Okay. What about USD? Nothing. Bitcoin, I don't expect anything from it. Nasdaq, it's flat, guys. It's flat. Nothing impacting the news. Okay. Am I wrong? Do we have a news or not? Let me check again. Yes, we have, but it's for CAD currencies. Okay, okay. So if I check the USD CAD, it may be a disaster. So let me check the CAD, Forex, USD CAD. Where is she? Here we go. Boom. Let's check quickly, guys, what is happening with USD, Canadian dollars. So let's check 1 minute time frame and chart templates. Okay, this that made nothing. Okay, lucky guys, lucky. The news didn't act crazy. But we have another big news in 45 minutes. Still, I prefer to be safe than sorry, guys. So hopefully the news didn't act crazy on the market. Let's wait for the next one in 5 minutes. But the most craziest news will be tonight. For me, it will be in 4 hours and a half around. Get ready to rumble, guys. Federal funds rates, OMC statements, and also the press conference. So, good morning, good afternoon. Boom. So let me quickly check. What do we have? Silver up. Wow. So we have a nice setup on 1 minute time frame on silver. Beautiful. Huh? We broke this level. Back, make the pullback. We have a nice candle there on the 20 moving average. It's very tempting to take a bite, guys, right now. But have the rules of the news. I can't take it now. Look, look. This is a good setup for the bounce. Yeah, probabilities are very high to go higher now. Not that great, but it's still okay setup. It's not the best of the setups, but you put stop loss below, take profit just above, not far away. I will see if I take the trade, if it's still possible, but the spread is too big, guys. It's not good for 1 minute time frame. Let me stay on 5 minutes and I will be happy. So, guys, this is silver on 5 minutes time frame, but we have nothing yet. On gold, same, it's flat. On USD, let me see. Okay, flat again. Everything is acting like the calm before the storm, you know? Pound USD, same. And Bitcoin, yeah. Bitcoin is nicely dropping. Look at me now. Okay. So maybe Bitcoin, we can try to catch a reversal there on this nicely drop. But I need a closure of this candle with a nice hammer like this. If we can close like this, I'm interested to take a buy for the next candle. So that's it, guys, for today. Okay. And I will be back streaming in 1 hour and half around in Discord. Don't miss that, guys. Okay. And I will try to be safe with the news. Please don't over risk, don't over trade. And let's all wish to Anna a good recovery. Okay. And bravo for the win of the scalp sell on Anna. At least she took a win. Me, as you can see, I didn't have any good setups in many markets, so I will stay on the chicken legs side. So in the meantime, guys, I wish you a very good afternoon, morning, day, night, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, put some comments, and share the channel. Okay, and come to our Discord. This is where everything is happening, where we can get helped in many aspects related to trading, strategies, risk management, fundamentals, mindset, and also you can get some possibilities to get rewarded and gifts in many ways. So in the meantime, see you on Discord. Take care. Bye bye.